Welcome to the top best. The best boating flares is probably one of the most crucial safety devices for any boater. They're designed to signal distress and alert rescuers to your location in an emergency. But with so many options available, choosing the right flares can be a daunting task. In this video, we'll dive into the world of boating flares, exploring different types, their uses, and what to consider when making your selection. Number 5. Better Boat Premium Boat Erasers. Tired of boat scuffs and marks? These premium erasers are the perfect solution for keeping your boat clean. They are a must-have accessory for any boat owner. This eraser quickly removes dirt, grime, and scuffs from your boat's deck, hull, and seats. It effortlessly lifts away marks from shoes, fishing gear, and coolers. It makes cleaning simple. Forget about harsh chemicals. This eraser uses only water to clean. Simply add water, squeeze, and wipe away dirt and stains. It's safe for your boat and the environment. This product is safe for fiberglass, leather, vinyl, and more. It's a great addition to your boat maintenance supplies. It's a versatile tool for keeping your boat looking its best. These extra-thick sponges have a reinforced core for long-lasting use. They are an essential boat accessory. The textured surface helps erase dirt effectively. Better Boat is a family-owned American business dedicated to quality. They stand behind their products and are committed to customer satisfaction. Choose Better Boat for a cleaner boat. What we like. This boat eraser effortlessly removes dirt, grime, and scuffs from your boat's surfaces. It's safe on fiberglass, vinyl, and more, making it a versatile cleaning solution. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to keep your boat looking its best, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They don't seem to be as abrasive on vinyl, which gives me peace of mind, but they still clean just as effectively. Scuffs and grime on my interior vinyl come right off, and they also work great on the external gel coat. They're safe on all kinds of surfaces, from fiberglass to metal, and they hold up well thanks to the reinforced core. Number 4. Coastal Alert Launcher Kit. This kit is approved by the U.S. Coast Guard for both day and nighttime signaling. It's designed to ensure your safety on the water, providing reliable distress signals when you need them most. Inside, you'll find 6 12-gauge, high-performance, red aerial signals. These signals are designed to be highly visible, alerting rescuers to your location quickly and effectively. The kit also includes a SLAS-approved whistle with a lanyard. This whistle is a crucial part of the kit, providing an additional method of signaling for help. A signaling mirror is included to help you signal for help. It can be used to reflect sunlight towards potential rescuers, increasing your chances of being seen. Everything is stored in a floating, high-visibility orange storage case. This case ensures that the contents are protected and easy to find in an emergency. What we like. The Coastal Alert Launcher KIT provides essential safety with day and night signals. It includes a SLAS-approved whistle and a signaling mirror. If you prioritize safety and need reliable distress signals, this kit is a must-have for your boating adventures. What people say. Passed my U.S. Coast Guard inspection. Works good. This is exactly what we were looking for. Our boat will be ready for emergency now. Everyone should have one of these. Number 3. Better Boat 2-pack boat fenders with pump. These are a pair of marine-grade boat bumpers. Each measures 23 inches long and 6.5 inches wide. The set includes a pump and 2 6-foot black pre-whipped lines to get you started. The fenders have reinforced molded eyelets at each end. These heavy-duty tie eyelets are designed to prevent your fender lines from ripping through. They are built to last. The rib design minimizes contact and provides air between the ridges. This helps prevent rolling and reduces scuff marks and dings. It ensures your boat stays protected. The set comes with a pump and valve tips for easy inflation. You can store the pump on board for convenience. It's designed for superior quality and reliability. Better Boat is a family-owned American business. They are committed to making premium products for your boat. They stand behind your satisfaction with their products. What we like. These boat fenders feature reinforced eyelets and a rib design for optimal protection. The set includes a pump and pre-whipped lines for easy setup. If you want to protect your boat from scratches and dings while docking, these fenders are an excellent investment. What people say. Item worked great. Received just as described. They seem to be made of really good material. The fenders were as described. The fender line was a dark blue instead of black. I used an electric pump to inflate them. They functioned well. Number 2. XTREME STP LED Road Flares. These flares offer 3 distinct lighting modes: flashing red, solid red, and a white flashlight. This allows you to signal for help in various situations. They are designed to be versatile and effective. The flares provide 360-degree visibility and can be seen from up to a mile away. This ensures that others can spot you from a safe distance. This feature is crucial for your safety. You can easily position them using the foldable stands or attach them to your vehicle with the built-in magnet. This provides flexible placement options. This design makes them easy to use. They are designed to function reliably in both rain and clear weather conditions. They are powered by 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. Make sure to have batteries ready. The set comes with a carrying case for easy storage and protection. This ensures that they are always ready when you need them. This will keep them safe and organized. What we like. These XTREME STP flares offer 3 lighting modes and are visible from up to a mile away. They feature foldable stands and a built-in magnet for easy placement. If you need a reliable and versatile emergency signaling solution for your vehicle or boat, these flares are a great choice. What people say. The flares were easy to use. The flares worked as expected and were very bright. The product arrived quickly. Number 1. HOKENA 9-piece LED Road Flares Car Emergency Kit. This complete car emergency kit is designed to keep you safe on the road. It's perfect for breakdowns, flat tires, or any roadside emergency. This kit includes everything you need to stay protected. The kit includes LED road flares with a strong magnetic base. You can easily attach them to your car for hands-free visibility. These lights are essential for any roadside emergency. The magnetic base allows you to easily attach the flares to your vehicle. This feature ensures you can be seen without having to hold anything. It's a convenient and safe solution. This roadside emergency car kit has everything you need in one package. It includes car emergency flares, batteries, a seatbelt cutter, a window breaker, and a warning vehicle light. It's a comprehensive safety solution. HOKENA is a trusted brand known for its top-notch vehicle safety kits. You can depend on this kit to be prepared for any roadside situation. It's designed to provide peace of mind. This emergency roadside kit is designed to be your go-to for roadside assistance and safety. It provides dependable emergency lights for vehicles. It's a reliable choice for your safety. What we like. This LED road flares set includes everything you need for roadside emergencies, including flares, batteries, a seatbelt cutter, and a window breaker. The flares have a strong magnetic base for easy attachment. If you want a comprehensive safety kit for your car or boat, this is the perfect solution. What people say. First of all, the LED road flares are of a very good size and very bright, exactly what you need for portability, since they take little space in the car, and safety. The various lighting modes are very useful and the mode used last stays in memory, in case you need to use the same mode again, so you don't have to scroll down each mode. The case the flares come in fits them perfectly, without being too tight, is of good quality and prevents them from getting tossed around in the car, which they would if they would be loose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.